Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to install Altstore on any iPhone without actually having to connect to your computer or install it with the PC or anything, which is really cool. Now shout out to Saunders Tech. He was the one, he got an exclusive somehow, I don't even know how, and somebody sent him a way to do it, which is really cool. So shout out to him. I know he's going to complain and cry about it if I don't give him a shout out, so I'm totally joking. But the first thing you want to do is make sure you are jailbroken. That is very, very important. So you can use the uncover method, you can use any other method, it doesn't really matter. You can use checkra. I have 50 tutorials on this channel and my other channel, so if you are not jailbroken, you should be able to be jailbroken by the end of this by following the tutorials in the description below. So once you are jailbroken, what you want to do, and I'll go ahead and delete Altstore so we can kind of start off on the same track. So I honestly don't know how to uninstall Altstore, so I guess we're just going to roll with it. But the first thing you want to do is you want to go down in the description below and you want to download this specific IPA file. Now it'll be the second link down in the description. It'll basically say MediaFire link to the whatever or the IPA file download here. Just click that and you'll come into this page, and all you want to do is just tap on it. You'll come into a little download page. You want to go and click download and you should be good to go. So once you're here, you're set. You can go and click the little drop down downloads thing right here and see that you have that little file down there. Now once that is done, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to Cydia. You want to go ahead and click sources, which is down here. You want to go and click edit. You want to click add, and you want to add this specific repo. And the repo is cydia.iphonecake.com, and you want to go and click add source. Now it'll take a second for it to install. You really only need one specific thing within this, so once you have that installed, then you're set. You want to go ahead and open the specific repo, and as you can see, I have it right here. It's the AppCake one. You want to go ahead and tap it. You want to click all packages, and you want to see the one that says AppSync Unified. You want to go ahead and tap that. You want to click modify, which is up here, and you want to click install, and once it's installed you should be good to go, but it'll take a second or two for it to fully install. Usually that's kind of what happens. So once that's fully installed, you're kind of set and you're good to go. Now you will need another thing called Filza. Now Filza is an app that I'm sure a ton of people use and a ton of people already know about, and you can also get this through Cydia. You can go and click search, click up here, find Filza, which is right there, the Filza file manager. Go ahead and click that, click modify, click install, and then you're pretty much good to go. You're pretty much everything you need in order to install the Altstore, which is really cool. So once you have everything already fully installed, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your Files app, and you want to find that specific Altstore file, whatever that you just downloaded. So it should be under your downloads. Maybe it might be under your downloads in your iCloud drive, but you can always go back to your Safari browser right here, and wherever you found that at, you can go and click search, and it'll go ahead and take you directly to it. Now mine is specifically right here. So what you want to do here is you want to hold this down. You want to click share, which is right here, and you want to go ahead and copy it over to Files. So you want to click here, you want to click more, you want to scroll down, and you'll see right here, you'll see copy to Files. You can go ahead and tap that, and it'll go ahead and highlight exactly where it is for you, and for me it's right here. So what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and tap it. It'll come into here. You want to go and click install. It'll go and take a second for it to fully install. It will say like batch or something like that at the very bottom. Now for me, I was running into an issue. It kind of looked like it took a long time, but I was able to fully get through it at some point, so it really wasn't even that big of a deal. Now I already have it installed, so I don't know if it's going to reinstall, but once it's fully installed and you see batch down here, what you want to do is you want to go back to your home screen, and you should see that you have Altstore installed. So you can go ahead and open it, and as you can see, it crashed on me because it reinstalled it. So now we're starting, I guess, from brand new, and once you're here, you might get a couple of pop-ups, which is totally okay, and as you can see, I'm already signed in, which is really good. But the first time I went in, I actually had to go and sign into my user ID and Apple ID password. So the first time you see that, you will have to go and do that, which is not a big deal. Everyone has to do it. But you will have to type in your Apple ID and your password in order to get through, which is totally okay. You might also get a little pop-up that says refresh now and refresh later. Saunders mentioned that you should probably click refresh later instead of refresh now. So that's another humongous thing to do. Click refresh later, and then at this point, you have Altstore on your phone, which is really cool. Now at this point, the process is still the same. You can click plus up here and go search for any IPA file and install it. And as long as you click refresh later, then you should be good to go. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or into any other problems, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys get that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links will link down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.